i35equipment.com. Two of our manual 14x40 excavator thumbs. It's utilized on excavator applications. However, if you happen to have a big backhoe, it has two tines or fingers. Those fingers are straight. Give you a better grip on that tree you're pulling, that boulder you're moving, or the demolition work you're doing. It's folded up in a position where it can be utilized. However, it has three different mounting points for this pin that are attached to this rigid bar to get it further away or closer to your bucket, depending on the size of items we're grabbing. This makes it easier for you to grab. Stand full flat up against the stick. Just to take this pin out, this folds forward, this comes up, pins back in there. We do have manual thumbs for just about every size machine, as well as hydraulic thumbs as well. You can see our full and up-to-date inventory of heavy equipment and ranch machinery online, www.i35equipment.com. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you'd like a hauling quote, we send equipment all over the country, just like that loader right there. Just fill out the form on the website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share the address of several local haulers and nationwide broker. Very much rate that comes back to us. Of course, we welcome you to arrange for your own hauling. Pretty good outfit yourself for yourself equipment. Navigation through this. That's where a tape measure would sit across it. You can see where it would sit on your bucket. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Thank you, man.